So here we're looking at the InDesign document, and you can see that these areas are linked within the InDesign document. So, but you will not be working with that. But I want to show you how to get to the editable Incopy file. So I'm going to go into the V drive here, into HR01, into X drive. You can just go through X drive, Snake Pit, Digital Coaching and Challenges, and we're going to work with Admin 1 at this point. And you'll see quite a few files in here. These are, if you can look over here, these are InDesign documents, the PDF that is associated with that file, links, document fonts. Don't worry about these. What you're worried about is right here. The assignments folder will have the editable Incopy file in it, so just double click that. And this is the file you're going to be working with right here. It's the Incopy. The others keep track of the edits. So we're in Admin 1 assignments. Just going to double click that. It's going to open up Incopy. Now be careful not to move any files or change any file directories or anything like that. Just kind of leave everything where it is. Take it a minute. And one thing you'll see is that there are some tabs here at the top that kind of give you different views, and you can kind of see that, you know, each little section has type in it. Well, it'll make a little more sense if you click on the layout button. Okay, so here's page 1. You can go in and change. Let's say you want to change a headline. I'm just going to go in and hit return, and it's going to, or hit edit or delete, and it's going to ask me to check this frame out. Just go and click yes. Okay, well, let's just say we want to change it into playbook to whatever. So once you change that, you can go to the next page. Let's say we want to change the index page. Okay. Each page, each frame will need to be checked out. So if you click yes, then you can go in and edit that area. Okay, let's just change it back to 17, and I'm going to change this back to playbook. Okay, once you check it out, you can go ahead and edit it. You'll see the little sign there that says you can edit that. Okay, and you'll notice, as well as this one right here, you can see that I can edit that. But you'll see that I have frames here. Okay, so let's go to story view, because if there's a frame where you don't have enough room for copy, let's say let's go to this frame right here. Let's say we needed to add to this frame. Well, you can't do it in this view. These are locked. So if you need to add more copy than what's in this frame, let's say we want to add another paragraph or two, we should go into the story. So this is the congratulations frame. So let's go into the story and let's find that frame. And it's going to be right here. So this is kind of the code that keeps track of the textual content. So let's say that we wanted to add more content to this. Let's go ahead and check out that frame. Hit a return. So we're going to start adding more content. Now what's going to happen is in the InDesign document, it's going to tell me that there's an overflow area, meaning that, you see it down here, that I'm going to need to reflow the document. So if there's a lot of content added, then I'm going to have to go reflow the document, meaning that if one part of the content spills over to another page, then I have to repaginate. But just go in and type in the info, and I'll take care of that. So whatever needs to be put in there textual content wise, go in and do it. Okay, and then I can figure out how to repaginate. As for graphics, you really can't do anything with those, but you can change headlines, subheads, any body copy, anything like that. And I'll need to go in and reformat some of it. but the textual content is totally under your control. When we're done, make sure you go and save all content, because it may not record what you did the last step. So save all content. Okay, it's going to take it a minute to do that. I think we're done there. And then exit. Now, you need to exit because if there's something that's not saved, it'll ask you at this point. So I'm going to go ahead and exit. And it says one or more items have been checked in. Check in all content, meaning, yeah, I want to make sure that everything that I've done is saved. So I'm going to click yes. And it exits. So basically, all the edits that you do should be saved now. And if I go back to my InDesign document, I'll need to go in and update the link to that file. So the important thing is to remember not to change any of these files or any of these files. So just got to kind of keep them where they're at. Okay, that way we can all keep track of where everything is and make sure that everything's updated. Once I open up this document, again, it's going to ask me to update that link, and so all the content that you've populated should populate into the InDesign document. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense, and you can get started on that. And there should be the admin 1 and admin 2 in the folder, and then I need to go back in and get the 2 FAQs in there as well, in case you need to edit those. So that's really how you go in and do it. Please let me know if you have any questions.